My name is Echol Bak. I'm a Darling Wisdom student, Senior 4 Arts. And today is the Career Fair Day, and what I've learned about it is that we as South Sudanese, we have to educate girls on computer, and like when they educate us, we have to go out there and also educate other girls about computer. Like we should make everyone know computer because it really has a big impact on our lives. Most of the places out there are operating computers, so it's really a great thing for all of us to know computer.
I'm very happy today to attend such program. It's such a great opportunity for me. It makes girls to learn more, and it's also inspire girls. I think I like to give a much of thanks to the Girls in ICT. It's introduced girls to know more about computers. And now before, I used to see computers, but I don't know how to operate it. But now through what they have did, I know how to operate the computer, and I know how to create documents and how to save it.
So as it says that every girl deserves to take part in technology, and we believe that technology will change South Sudan. And if we so far teach all girls and women about the importance of technology in our society, we come and realize that the rate of poverty will be reduced, the rate of inequality, and the rate of injustice in the community.
I really want to thank the National Communication Authority, the GoGirls ICT Initiative, the ITU for the great impact upon our lives and the continuous blessings we shall always be remembering. And I really appreciate this moment, interacting, knowing new people, new careers, knowing new things in life.
At first, I would like to give thanks for the program that you have gained us with. It's so amazing program. Since we start first year up to the age we are, we didn't get such kind of things. And that is going to be very amazing for us to know about ICT. Because in any step you're taking, you have to have more careers. You have to have more talents, more things, so that whenever you take a step, something comes towards you, you know how to solve it.
This program has really inspired me. More girls need to be brought into this program to help South Sudan, to help this country, because this country has inspired more men than women. And we really need more girls like the officials, the female ones, to really inspire more other kids. And we shall also go and inspire more others outside this place, out there in our own areas, inspire them to know more about IT. It's not only men that can do it, women can also do it better.
I appreciate for the program of today, and we are able to meet young generation from different schools. The kids are so many, full of passions, and they are really willing to learn new things in their life, and they are ready to be part of the technology. And thanks for GoGirls organization. I appreciate so much, and I'm happy to be part of this program today.